Alright, so I just got home, came in the kitchen, and guess who I see outside waiting? So I cut up an apple real quick so I'm ready. There you are. Watch when I open the door. See if it happens. Yep, here it comes. You know the sound of the door, Curtis. Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi, Curtis. Hey. Come here. You come running, pouncing like a little deer. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Hi, baby. You want your apples? Well, happy Friday. Here you go. Do you want me to hold them for you? You want me to hold him? Hi, honey. Mosquitoes are out. The mosquitoes are out. Well, you're just waiting, huh? Waiting for me to get home. There you go, baby. Love that. What in the world? What is that? Oh no, I think a frog jumped in the air conditioning. Oh no.